Apply toothpaste to a lemon and put it into the washing machine drum. Very few people know this trick. If you have not tried it yet, it is time to change that. Most of us do not clean the washing machine regularly, which leads to a buildup of dirt and residue. With this simple trick, you can keep the appliance clean without using expensive chemicals. Cut the lemon into 2 equal halves. Apply toothpaste to each half. Both ingredients have strong disinfecting and antibacterial properties. Put the prepared lemon into the washing machine drum. Pull back the rubber seal and sprinkle a small amount of baking soda inside. Scrub thoroughly with a toothbrush and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, clean the detergent drawer thoroughly. Prepare a mixture of about 2 ounces of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix well and apply the foam to the surface of the drawer. Wait a moment and clean hard-to-reach areas with a toothbrush. Set a short wash cycle and start the washing machine. When the cycle is finished, simply remove the lemon. Do not forget about the washing machine filter as well. Take 1 absorbent diaper and place it under the filter. It will absorb the water that flows out when you unscrew it. This way, you will avoid flooding the floor and extra cleaning. These methods will make your washing machine clean, fresh, and free of limescale. This method not only effectively refreshes the inside of the washing machine, but also helps protect it from future buildup of dirt. All it takes is 1 tablespoon of this powder to make your shower shine for years. Limescale on shower glass appears very often and can be genuinely hard to remove, but there is a simple solution. Take a glass bowl and put 2 activated charcoal capsules inside. Activated charcoal binds impurities, neutralizes buildup, and absorbs residues responsible for dull, cloudy film, while remaining gentle and free from harsh chemicals. Crush the capsules thoroughly with a fork until you get a fine powder. Add a small amount of water to create a thick paste and mix well. Then add 1 drop of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves mineral deposits, lowers the surface pH, and boosts the effect of the charcoal, making dirt release more easily from the glass and helping the surface stay clean for longer. Now prepare a microfiber cloth. It is gentle, does not scratch the glass, and collects dirt very effectively. Apply the paste to the cloth and wipe the shower enclosure using calm, even motions, making sure not to miss any spots. Rinse everything with warm water and dry with a paper towel. The glass is clean, clear, and streak-free again. Activated charcoal is ideal for regular cleaning and can truly transform the entire bathroom. Don't throw away your old, dirty mop. Cut off the worn ends to create a clean base. Then grab a microfiber cloth and wrap it around the mop head. Put the old cover back on top to keep everything tight. Dip the mop head in water and clean your floor as usual. You no longer need to buy a new mop. A simple cloth from home is enough. Rich people won't tell you this secret. Steal wool in boiling water. Once the wool becomes soft, slowly spread it out using tongs and a fork to create an even layer. Then, pour a little dishwashing liquid on it, allowing it to soak deeply into the fibers. Sprinkle a spoonful of baking soda over the top to prepare the perfect base. Baking soda acts as a natural cleaner, removing impurities and restoring shine. Now it's time for the silver. After extended wear, silver can slightly change its shade, and contact with the skin and perfumes gives it a faint yellowish tone. Cook for 10 minutes. After this time, the water will darken, indicating that the residue has come off the surface of the silver. Once the process is finished, pour out the dirty water and gently open the wool. Underneath, you'll find clean, refreshed jewelry that looks brand new. Finally, rinse it under running water and spread it out to dry calmly. Your silver has never looked so dazzling before. This is how jewelers clean silver, but they'll never tell you. It involves several reactions that simply remove years of grime and restore the silver to its original shine. Prepare a large pan. Pour in about 2 cups of water, then bring it to a boil. Add 2 tablespoons of black tea. Its natural tannins help dissolve dirt and bring back the metal's former luster. while also giving it a subtle freshness. Add 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid, which will help remove greasy residues, dust, and other impurities, ensuring a deeper clean. Cut 1 lemon in half and squeeze the juice directly into the pan. The natural citric acid will brighten the silver and remove dark tarnish. Now, add a piece of aluminum foil, which, when combined with hot water and lemon, will transfer the dirt from the jewelry to the foil, speeding up the cleaning process. Place the silver jewelry into the pan and cook for 5 minutes to reach every spot. Pour everything into a bowl and let it sit for 30 minutes to allow the cleaning process to complete on its own. Then, remove the jewelry and gently rub its surface with the remaining lemon, bringing out the final shine. Lastly, add 1 denture cleaning tablet. Scrub every detail with a toothbrush and rinse with water. Admire how your silver regains its original, dazzling appearance. The jewelry gleams as if it just left the display case in an exclusive jewelry store. Jewelry experts are keeping this secret from us. Put your silver jewelry in boiling water. They definitely don't want us to know this household trick. Over time, silver accessories and jewelry tarnish. This happens because of a natural chemical process. Silver reacts with sulfur in the air. It starts to oxidize and darken in color. Pour water into a pan and bring it to a boil. Then, put your dirty silver in it. The water must cover the silver completely. Take regular toothpaste. Squeeze out a tablespoon of it. Then, dissolve it in the water. Make sure the toothpaste doesn't contain abrasive particles and isn't a whitening type. Toothpaste has cleaning and polishing properties. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda. It will start to fizz. This fizzing action helps to remove dirt from the crevices of the jewelry. It will also eliminate the unpleasant smell of oxidized silver and brighten it. Additionally, add a small spoonful of table salt. Salt has properties that prevent silver from darkening. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil and put it in the pan. Then, heat everything for a few minutes. The combination of all these ingredients will make your silver as clean as if it had been professionally cleaned by a jeweler. Even the smallest crevices will shine beautifully again. Your jewelry will look like new. This trick will save your jewelry. Silver accessories tend to tarnish over time, but there's an easy solution. Take a glass, line its bottom with aluminum foil, and add a tablespoon of baking soda. Place your jewelry inside, pour boiling water over it, and wait a few minutes. The result? Your silver shines like it's fresh from the jeweler, and your jewelry looks as good as new. Try this homemade method today. Your cutlery will look like new, clean, shiny, and stain-free without scrubbing or polishing. Prepare a glass baking dish and place the cutlery inside. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of salt, followed by baking soda. Baking soda has excellent cleaning properties. Now, pour a little vinegar over the cutlery. The vinegar will make them even cleaner and shinier. But that's not all. Pour hot water over everything until the cutlery is fully submerged in the solution. Wait 15 minutes and let the ingredients work their magic. After that, take out the cutlery and see how amazingly it shines. This simple method restores the sparkle to your favorite forks, knives, and spoons. The results are truly spectacular. Just dry them off, and you're done. Try this method and see how easy it is to achieve spotless, gleaming cutlery.